In recent years, the action camera market has witnessed remarkable growth, with numerous companies striving to establish their dominance. Amidst this competitive landscape, GoPro has consistently emerged as the frontrunner, excelling in both performance and convenience. As GoPro gears up to launch its highly anticipated Hero 13 Black, the company is poised to introduce several impressive upgrades that promise to captivate enthusiasts and casual users alike. The upcoming Hero 13 Black is expected to feature a range of noteworthy enhancements, including the possibility of higher resolutions up to 8K and the introduction of the all-new GP3 processor. These advancements could significantly elevate the action camera experience and give competitors a serious challenge, provided GoPro addresses a few long-standing issues and incorporates some eagerly awaited features, such as the reintroduction of GPS. Today, we'll explore the rumored specifications, design possibilities, and what you can expect from the Hero 13 Black. According to various speculations and expectations, one of the key focuses for improving the user experience is software optimization. While software might seem less critical for a camera, glitchy performance can severely impact the overall experience, particularly when the app crashes or freezes during shooting. Such issues are unexpected from a company with GoPro's reputation and need to be addressed to maintain its leading position. Action camera companies are increasingly focusing on their accompanying apps, offering users a wide range of useful features. GoPro needs to enhance its application to be more user-friendly and optimized. Another persistent issue with GoPro cameras is overheating, a notable drawback that prevents extended shooting sessions. A new processor might help mitigate this problem by reducing heat generation, and a better heatsink design could also contribute to a solution. So, what sets GoPro apart? Its versatility, excellent image stabilization, and overall performance make it a favorite among users. Since its inception, GoPro has revolutionized the way people capture action-packed sports moments and memories in a compact device. However, with companies like DJI and Insta360 providing stiff competition, GoPro must elevate its game to maintain its edge. Based on recent rumors and speculations, GoPro is indeed stepping up. The Hero 13 Black is expected to feature HyperSmooth 7.0, offering even more stable and shake-free footage than ever before. This has been a hallmark feature of GoPro across all its models, delivering ultra-smooth videos regardless of the terrain. Additionally, the Hero 13 Black might finally incorporate the much-anticipated GP3 processor, replacing the GP2 used for the past 3 generations. If properly optimized, this new processor could resolve the overheating issue, enhancing the camera's performance and reliability. Moreover, the new processor could allow for a larger sensor in the Hero 13 Black, significantly improving low-light performance and outclassing other action cameras on the market. While some may hope for 8K resolution, it seems unlikely in the near future, and it may not be necessary given the already sharp and detailed image quality GoPro provides. The focus on enhancing other aspects, such as image stabilization and low-light performance, might be more beneficial for users. Beyond these technical improvements, the design of the Hero 13 Black is also a point of interest. While maintaining the rugged and compact design that GoPro is known for, potential upgrades in materials and ergonomics could further enhance usability. A more efficient heat dissipation system, possibly integrated within the camera's design, could address overheating issues, allowing for longer recording sessions without interruption. So, when can we expect the Hero 13 Black to be launched? Traditionally, GoPro releases its new models in September, and we anticipate the launch on September 11th. This timeline aligns with GoPro's usual release schedule and sets the stage for another exciting addition to the action camera market. What other upgrades would you like to see in the Hero 13 Black? Do you think it can surpass the DJI Osmo Action? Share your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news.